Good morning, Debt Wolf. I'm Andrew, and I don't want to work anymore. My boy is in the house, is live. That's right. I'm not feeling well today, though. It's my first day back at the gym in like 2.5 weeks, and I don't think that has anything to do with it. I'm actually feeling pretty good about that. But yeah, I don't know. Something's wrong in my stomach. We'll see if we can stomach the rest of this trading day. How are you doing, my dude? Happy to see you. We missed you yesterday, but I didn't miss being peer pressured into taking more than one trade. I'll tell you that for free. So what do we got going on today? We already took yesterday's afternoon high. We've broken out of this consolidation here. We're moving up the previous day high, and I think we'll take that, maybe even go to relatively equal highs up here and then turn around. And we got this, I forgot to mark it. Oh, it is a 4-hour fair value gap here. We're gonna put it on 4-hour FEG. I'm gonna start labeling things so I know what they are. And that makes a lot of sense. For sure. Yeah, what else is going on? Gym is boring. You know what, dude? I put on my favorite tunes and I crank them, and that's it. And it goes hand in hand with discipline and having a routine and doing the same thing day in, day out. And you know, I try to have the same model and trade the same way day in, day out. So anyway, I also like doing the gym because, well, I have a lot of pain. I got back pain, and my physiotherapist says it's because, well, that's why, because I didn't play soccer, and because I didn't play soccer, I have no glutes, and that's why my back hurts all the time, according to my physiotherapist. So running around and playing sports is what I should have done when I was younger, but I didn't. I did play some hockey. I didn't like soccer. You know, both my parents are from Europe, from Croatia, so you know, my dad's a big soccer fan and whatever, but I couldn't get into it. And probably why? Because he bought me really shitty cleats. I had really crappy cleats that hurt my feet and gave me blisters on my heels, and that was it. I think I lasted 2 summers playing soccer as a kid, and that was the end of that in a nutshell. What have we got here? We got any relatively equal lows? Kinda, not really. Maybe these guys down here. Maybe we can use them. I don't know. They're not very obvious. Like, they're okay, but they're not like, yeah, I don't know. Where's those? Oh, those relatively equal highs are still up there. What are you feeling today, Debt Wolf? Bullish, bearish? I kind of feel we are consolidating. I am waiting. Maybe we can get up into this. I can't remember if that was a 4-hour fair value gap, and then we can move lower. We don't have to do that, but I'm kind of thinking something the sort. I'm pretty sure we need to get down into this weekly fair value gap and tap below this June 30th week low before we can go higher. But hey, what do I know? That's kind of what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a move up, a reversal, and I want lower prices down in here. So that's what I'm trading today. Same thing yesterday. I was looking for a move up out of this range. Or actually, sorry, what was I looking for? I didn't care which way we went, but I was bullish to take out these relatively equal highs. So we came down, we just never went back up. So And I was also looking for the top of this, but it just didn't pan out until way later in the afternoon. I'm taking a loss in there, so no big deal. We just took previous day high. We are off to the races. Let's go. Where's the opening price? Is it this candle? It is this candle. Let's go. Pink. Something like that. I'm a bear today. Nice. That's what I like too. I really want to take this stuff out, and then this will be the high of the week, I believe. What kind of news we got? 10:30. Wholesale inventories. Doesn't look red folder to me, but what else are we gonna put on here? ES, MES. Look for SMTs. We got SMT, bro. Need an SMT. Okay, I'm ready for a reversal now. First presented fair value gap. Finally took those relatively equal highs that I've had marked out, I think since like Monday. I might get super aggressive with a short up here. No. Oh, here we go. There's that one FEG I was looking at that I wanted to tap into. This could be first presentation right in here. Getting ready for sells. Let's go. $12 seconds. Oh, it might go a little higher. This doesn't look like it's ready to turn yet. We haven't hit the high yet. We're close. Come on. Gotta be careful on a 15-second chart though. This FDG does not count. I wasn't expecting to close above this one though. I really thought we would have reversed by now. but that's okay. No, this one I want MES. Hold on 1 minute. Holy cow, why is trading view so fucky like that? Man, is this running away or what? 23.25? You went short at 23.25? What are you looking at? 23.25. $23.25. That high here. Another FEG in here. This long wick, we're gonna get above that for sure. I know how this plays out. So if that wick is here, I don't see any more FEGs. Well, not on the 5 minute anyway. Sorry, on the 15 minute. What else we got here? Man, she's not gonna stop. You're gonna have to have a pretty healthy stop loss to survive this, my friend. I think 25 points minimum here at 23.50. $23.50 is your stop loss. Okay, well, it's a nail biter, bro. There's an FEG here. Where is it? On the 15 minute. Something like that. Like it's moving in front of a freight train. Yeah, this doesn't look... It's gonna be super tough to short. Like, are we just wrong with the bias again? But this is going to be classic consolidation, manipulation, and distribution, I think. Oh, dude, you're toast. Look at this. This is crazy. It's like going for previous week high now. Oh, that's pretty far away. That's still another 50 points, 40, 55 points away. No FEGs in here though. Did you get stopped out by like 2 points? Now it's going to reverse here. Usually I'd like to see an inversion here, but I don't see one. Maybe on the 5 minute. Oh my god, it's still going. Maybe this is gonna be our swing low. No, FEG taken out now. Man, oh man. Why does it seem... I had my first presentation here. 9:30. I had this on the chart like that. I also have my opening price here. Why NQU MNQ? That's what's the problem. MNQU. Thank you. Jeez. What is going on here? What about a 15-second? Let's see that reversal happening. No low taken out yet. Low or high. I'm gonna make a higher high still. Oh my god. 23,000 again today at some point. This is crazy. I wanted to move up, but I was not expecting something to this magnitude. Like, I don't even think that range warrants a move like that, does it? Yeah, I guess so. Let's see here. Let's put the fib on here. If this was the low, the range, and the high. Let's say, oh, something like that. There's a minus 0.25 extension there. This is starting to look like it's rolling over. Yeah, this definitely looks like it's starting to roll. And we do have a FEG on the 15-second. Right there. No, going for another expand. Wow. You were saying 23,000? We already at 23,000. We hit 23,000. Oh, you must be on NQ. Let me see NQ. No. NQ's past 23,000 already. Previous week high. I'm gonna make a double top here. Oh, for sure. No problem. It's gotta... I think we're getting pretty close here. This is gonna be the last stretch. I think we're gonna get pretty close to previous week high. I don't think we'll break it. Make a double top here. And then reverse. This is pretty cool though. I'm gonna, as soon as we get into a short, I'm gonna be looking at how many points I could have made here using my old strategy. Not that there was that, actually there wasn't that many fair value gaps at all. Just the one, maybe two now. And then this one's gonna reverse up here, so let's see on the 15-second, this FVG right here. I don't like the way this top looks though. Looks fine on the 1 minute. Let's see here. What if I took a short right now? It's only 15 points. Yeah, maybe. It's like some insider knows there's good news coming from Trump today. I am super ready to take a short here. We got a 1 minute FVG. Here we go. We get a closure below that, I'm in. Just engineering liquidity for later. Relatively equal highs. I think some insider knows that there's bad news coming from Trump today. So they're just pumping the market now, get everyone in there long just before they rip their faces off and go short. That's what I think. But we'll see. I really want to see that weekly fair value gap get tapped into before going higher. One more push here. And then we're gonna dump. What is the news right now? I think this is all Canadian news, so it's really lame. So it's not gonna do anything. Get out of here. There we go, my watch list. Last one, Debt Wolf. Let's go. I don't think we're gonna tap above previous week high. I doubt it. There it is on the 15-second. That's the one. That FVG closure right there. I'm going super aggressive. Okay, I'm in. It's still gonna go up to that inversion here. Well, I guess there's also an FEG. And it did. Just tapped right into it. Good enough. Yeah, so I think we're gonna dump down a little bit more. Probably consolidate inside this FEG, and then we can really go down for the rest of the morning. Stay high. Don't need that anymore. Don't need that. Okay. No, we gotta wait. Did you take another position yet? No. Okay. What's wrong? What, you only do one trade a day too? Or are you waiting for a better setup? The right time. After 10 o'clock? Okay. Looks like I'm gonna be toast. Come on, let's go. Respecting price. Probably gonna be, well, okay, let's kill some time. What's the stock saying? So I finally sold Palantir. I sold all my Palantir at like 139 and change. So that was a return of 174%. I think I bought it, I started buying it last September, so 6 months, almost doubled my money. So, or no, almost 3x'd my money. So perfectly fine with that. And then I bought, what did I buy? Stanley Black & Decker and VFC Corp. Let's go. Come on, where's the chart? 1 month. Loading chart. Okay, well that's useless. Anyway, VFC Corp does brands like Timberland boots and North Face clothing, jackets, and there's some other brand in there I can't remember. Oh, Vans, Timberland, and North Face are the three big brands that they do. And this is a company that they just buy brands basically and do a whole bunch of marketing and pump up the share price, and then they'll just like dump the brand afterwards, kind of like that. So super pumped for that position. If I can get the chart to work, well, actually, hold on, let's bring it up over here. VFC stocks, we'll go all VFC Corporation stocks, New York Stock Exchange. That's what I want. What else do we want? SWK, Stanley Black & Decker, New York Stock Exchange. I already have a BABA chart up there. What else do I own? Intel ripped yesterday. That was fun. INTC, Nasdaq. What else we got? Obviously I got Misty, MSTY, PayPal. I don't remember if I had PayPal or Etsy. Come on, dude. Stopped out. Close. It's not closing my position, dude. I'm just getting wasted here. Brutal. Come on. Yeah, I know, right? Can't tell me there's no buyers there. Okay. Previous week high. Gone. I don't know if we should take another short here. Futures rise with Trump tariffs focus. Samsung, Wiz, Samsung, him and hers, UAE, Nvidia, ECB, MERS, Boeing, I think that's Boeing, no, Bank of England, supply hikes. I don't know what's so bullish here. I don't see anything crazy. So Trump tariffs. There's nothing here. Crazy bulls. I'm kind of mad because my stop was like 23 bucks and I think it really got toasted at much more than that. It says I still have a position open. Look at this. Oh my god, what is going on here? I'm still in short without a stop. What the fuck? So this is great. This is super great. I'm supposed to be out at 23 bucks. Okay, well, I'll just move my stop up here. Hopefully it reverses from there. And this will be just my one trade, since this is basically 1% of my account right now. Can you imagine that this works out? How lucky would that be? Just need a closure below A little bit more, come on. Uh-oh. Respecting that last fair value gap here. Yeah, I could close it in profit now that I am in profit. Yeah, that's what I should have done, shouldn't I? Well, I wasn't even thinking. I thought this was gonna keep going lower for me. Instead of closing at break even and then maybe getting a better fill. Oh, what a missed opportunity that was. And now I'm toast. It'll eventually go lower. You're right. It will eventually go lower. When? Huh? Let's see. Well, these are all-time highs now. Damn. Shit. Do you even need a stop loss? Just have take profit set and it will hit sooner than later. I agree. There's my opportunity to close the position. I'm staying in it. I'm staying in it. Every time I think I'm screwed, I keep thinking this is gonna work out for me. I'm staying in it. I'm just moving my stop down little by little. It's gonna close below this FEG now. See? Now we're good. Okay, what are we gonna do for a take profit now? First presented fair value gap. Probably, let's see here. Went short here. A 2, no, not good enough. Let's just measure this with a fib. And I'll take 50%. Like that. Why is it only 53 points? That seems weird. I think first presented fair value gap is fair. Something like that. What do you think? Greedy is good. I like that. Greedy is good. Yeah. I still have to get past. I still have to get past not getting stopped out. How about that? We have not swept that low. So can't go long. So deep in premium. True day open, we're way above premium on that. I don't know, man. I think I'm toast here. And I'm just gonna have to keep on moving. If I get any lower, it's gonna trail my stop. That's it. It's over. And I'm fine with that. But I missed it by a tick. Being cheap with my stop again. Or was it the spread? No, I had it right here. Well, I'm gonna put one more on. Lower highs and lower lows. The swings are reaching for lower prices, so. But no, it's just another losing day. That's all. And that stop not getting hit earlier at $23 really messed me up. I would have got a better entry higher up here, a second go at it, but yeah. Unless I saw an entry here that was nice and tight with the stop, but consolidation, manipulation. It's just going sideways again now that it's pushed up so high. It's not going to reverse. What? How many? How big was that point run? 960. Not even 60 points. No, it's gotta be more than that. 960. Oh yeah, it is. It's 100 and 960. 22.9. Yeah. It's 150 points, no? Why don't I just use the measuring tool? It's way easier and faster than trying to do math on the side. Yeah, it's 150 points. Well, my setup's not going to happen anytime soon, and it is that time. So, didn't make anything happen. Actually, let's see what the other strategy would have done today. First presented fair value gap right here, stop there. There. Another long here, stop there. And yeah, I'd still be waiting. I'd still be waiting. Something like that. So still not great. 34 with a 33 point stop loss. So this is just break even right here still. Anyway, shut her down. Maybe for my other account. This is where I get to play. We'll take a short here. Trade from chart. There we go. Stop loss. There, short. TP. 50% of the range-ish. There. Done. Scratch my itch. All right, man. Always tomorrow. That's right. Have a good day. Thanks for coming out. Hope you, how long do you usually stick around and trade? Since you got like basically all night. What's the latest that you sit on the charts? Okay, well, you'll answer me one day. Anyway, have a good day, man. I'll catch you next time.